Cut at an angle to get that soft textured look. DIY layers with the CreaClip. So for layers, you're going to flip your head all the way over, gather all your hair in front, and clip the curved CreaClip upside down, kind of like smiley face down. Okay? And then we're going to slide it down and cut. Make sure the level's in the middle. Slide it down, and I'm going to trim all this hair to create layers. Cut at an angle to get that soft textured look. A lot of hair, but just take your time and trim. The CreaClip is great because you can gather it all at once and cut, making it easy. In just a few minutes. Heads up, you can see all these layers. Face framing long layers all around the face. Okay. Let me show one more technique, how you can texturize your hair. Okay, so you're gonna just flip your head like this, gather it all again. With the CreaClip, you can use it to texturize your hair. Let's say if you have really thick hair, you want to do this next step because it's going to soften the ends, making it more blended, layered, and we're going to use the thinning shears. So this is what I do with all my haircuts. If you want to add a little bit of texture, you clip the CreaClip back like how you just cut it, and clip it about 4 inches, and then you're going to use the thinning shears to texturize. And so I just go in there and use the thinning shears and just thin it out. If you have really thick hair and you want it a little bit more soft and textured, you're just gonna go in and thin it out like this. So I do about 4 inches, and then I pull it down to 2 inches. So then now, when you pull it down to 2 inches, that's more of the ends that you're texturizing. And you can texturize it as much as you want. If you feel your hair is super thick, then go ahead and do this technique. So I'm just using the thinning shears. It just takes a little bit out, and that's just going to soften it a little bit. Pull that off, and you can see the difference, how it just softened those ends for face framing layers. A V-layered shape in the back. There you go, that's my CreaClip layers. For more videos, please subscribe.